Hi guys! I'm so excited. I got this delivery today, or a little earlier today. And as soon as I got it, I was like, must do video today. So I'm so excited. So guys, some of you may know that Mattel Creations decided to do another drop for the spooky season at the last minute. I mean, it was probably not the last minute for them, but when they dropped it on social media, it was the last minute for us. We were already excited over the Beetlejuice Skullector dolls, and if you guys haven't seen those, these are what these look like. We got Beetlejuice and Lydia. So we thought, because this was a double duo pack, this is what we were all going to get, and that was it. They said, no, surprise, we're giving you another one. So of course I was on again at 11:59 a.m. on my computer on 10/29, and I snagged this baby, and it shipped really quick. Ordered it 10/29. Today is 10/4. Yeah, today's 10/4. And it was at my doorstep by FedEx. So I'm so excited, and I'm gonna open this so you guys can see it with me. Yay! Gremlins. They came out with the Gremlins. The Mattel Monster High Skullector series they came out with. The female version of the Gremlins. I'm so excited. So this is what the box looks like. And I'm doing a new angle here a little bit, so let me know if you guys like this. So this is the box, and it says right here, from the makers of Monster High Collector. So stinking cute. And the minute I saw this on Monster High and Mattel Mattel Creations Instagram account, I knew I had to get it. So this is the front of the box. Gremlins 2, the new batch, and this is the side. This is the back, and I'll read the back just like I read the back of the other ones for you guys. It says, Gremlins 2, the new batch, Greta Gremlin. And if you guys don't know who Greta is, I'm gonna need you to just, when you're done with this, I'm gonna need you to go watch the Gremlins movie, because it's one of the greatest movies of all time. Gremlins 2 was okay. Gremlins 1, the best. As a late age Gen Xer, these were all my movies. So it says Greta Gremlin doll. How about a smooch? Because if you watch Gremlins, you know that's all Greta wanted to do was smooch. Don't be shocked by my outrageous glam hair and freaky fat fashion. Gizmo and I are about the coolest pair you've ever met. Sure, I used to be a basic gremlin, but after sipping the Splice of Life Lab secret potion, hello, glow up. Now I am drop dead gorgeous. Especially when I reached into my killer purse, swipe on some fierce red lipstick. We know Greta did that. And pucker up for a big kiss. So what do you say? Let's cut to the chase, grab Gizmo, and run out of here before the lab explodes. Then we'll live happily ever after until death do us part. And of course, there's the signature Greta lips all over the back of the box. It is so stinking cute. Like, I love these. And guys, if they do another drop this year, I'm in trouble, because I have reached my budget for special dolls for the year. So without further ado, let's open her up. Guys! Oh my god, it's so cute. So cute. Look, it's the lab here. And then there is a Greta in all her gorgeous fashion glory. And then we have a little Gizmo. Oh my god, this is so stinking cute. I love the Skullector Collections boxes, guys. They are so stinking adorable. And I know I said I was going to open up Beetlejuice and Lydia, but my soul is crying out for us to get a closer look at Greta. So that is what we're going to do today. I'm so excited. I will keep this box though, because this box is official. Oh, guys, look at Greta. She's so cute. Okay, there's Gizmo. Just looking just like the movie. He's so cute. And there's Greta. Look at her face. Look, I just noticed that in the box. It even comes with a little mirror piece, so it looks like a mirror. Oh, guys, you can see me in the mirror. Hey, with my red hair. Hey. So, Look at Greta. She's so cute. And of course, if you flip to the back, there is the certificate of authenticity and there is the doll stand. So you know what? Greta's going to get opened because I only have so much room for boxes and dolls in my studio. So Greta's going to take the sacrifice for everyone, for me, for everyone on YouTube, and we're just going to get her out this box so I can give you my full honest opinion. So here we go. Here's the base, and it says Monster High embossed on it. So stinking cute. And Greta could like easily go to Monster High with the rest of the girls. Oh, maybe I'm doing this wrong. Oh, no, I sure was. There we go. And there's the base. So let's put that to the side. Let's get the certificate of authenticity off the back so you guys can see what that looks like. Oh, I am loving this. I didn't open the one for the Beetlejuice and Lydia combo. Okay, so this is what this says. Mattel Creations Certificate of Authenticity. And then here's what it looks like, guys. From the makers of Monster High Skullector and Gremlins 2 the New Batch, this certifies that your Monster High Skullector X Gremlins 2 the New Batch Greta doll spawned through the collaborative efforts of designers and artists at Mattel. And the signature, of course, is Rebecca Shipman. And trademark is 2020. So there's that. That's really cute. Really stinking cute. All right. Now, you guys know I hate... Oh, it's different. They're not stays. Well, some of them aren't. They're little plastic. Well, those were plastic stays, but the one on her arm was a little plastic thingy. So there we go. There we go. Here we go. We got both arms free. Let's get her hair without cutting any of her hair, because you know I hate cutting the hair. And let's see where else is she attached at so we can get her out of this box, shall we? Okay, I think... Okay, we found another one. You know, it's always a hunt to figure out where they're at. And of course, the classic one in the back of the head. And I always do these on camera, so you guys, when you get yours, if my video, you've seen it, because I was lucky to get Beetlejuice and Lydia early, and I'm lucky enough to get Greta early, so you guys know where they're all at, so you guys know ahead of time where they're at. She's out of the box. So this is what the box looks like. I'm telling you guys, I'm keeping the box. So cute. All right, let's move this out the way. Let's move these out the way. Now, here's Gizmo. Guys, he's so adorable. And if you watch the movie, you know how Gizmo is just the most adorablest thing on the face of the planet. So he's so stinking cute. So we'll stand him up right there. And here is a Greta in all of her fashion. Oh, we got the rubber band in all of her fashion glory. Let's take a look at the back. I hate the way they smash the curls, guys. I really do. I really, really, really hate it. But there's not much product in the back. There's some to hold these curls in, and they're smashed. So if you're a stickler for stuff like that, you're probably going to want to boil wash the hair and then recurl it with straws. But the front ones, there's a little bit. There's not a lot. But I just wish there was a better way for them to do that, because now all her curls are just all messed up. Okay, so we'll start with the hair. It's soft, it's smooth. I think it's some kind of nylon hair that they rooted into her. She has a little flower clip here, which is pretty cute. She has these, they're They're not silver, but post, I wish we could have did something about that, but okay. There's these post little earrings in her ears, which I think are adorable. I'm gonna try to move her hair out the way so you guys can see a little bit better. The shading on her face is kind of cool. It's green here, and then she has that yellow color like she did in the movie, and then she has it on her ears here and here. I wish there was a little more detail in the ear, like an ear hole like they have in the movie, but it's really cute. She has like her little green markings on this, her upper cheek here, here, and then over her eyebrow here and here. Her lips, there is no pigmentation on her lip color. Her little beauty mark is where it's supposed to be from the movie. Her fangs, they're painted on. I wish they were actual fangs because these are collector dolls. We don't pay cheap prices for these dolls, so I wish if you didn't know, she was $60, $72 and some change if you live in the state of Pennsylvania and there was shipping. So I wish there was that. I wish she had real fangs, but they did an okay job painting them on. There's no pigmentation, pixelation in her eyes. Her eye makeup is really good. It's like a grayish tone. Her eyes are green. They put the little flecks, all that stuff in the eyes. So her eyes are good. So there's no, like we see with some of the other dolls, like there's no pixelation or anything. So on my doll, her makeup is pretty much flawless outside of, like I said, her fake fangs. I don't like that. Here's her little jacket. It's like a faux leather red jacket. And there's some faux fur at the top. It is all one piece. There's some little silver studs on the upper arm here. Let's go to her bag so I can take it off her shoulder. Can I take it off her shoulder? No, because they have it, they have it attached on her shoulder with some plastic. So let me cut that off so we can get a better look at her bag. Let me put her down. So this is what the bag looks like. It is faux. It is a little plastic bag. It's supposed to represent faux leather, but they're not doing that. So this is what this looks like. And then it has a picture of the head honcho gremlin from the movie on the front, and it's shaped in a heart. Is this open or is this one of those faux bags, guys? That sucks. It doesn't open, so it's just purely decorative purposes. I wish this was faux leather like her jacket, and I wished it opened. That's a negative, but hey, what can you do? So that's what that looks like. Let's stick it next to Gizmo. Let's keep going. She has this plastic studded belt around her waist. It's okay. Like I said, wish it could have been real to add to the more realness factor. Her dress is a halter. So let me turn around so you can see it around the back. It goes around her neck. It goes down. It's ribbon. And then it has this ruching. It has a sweetheart neckline, and it has the ruching in the front. It has this leopard print design all over it. Like that. It does Velcro in the back, as you can see here. And then at the bottom, there's this, I don't know what kind of fabric this is. Some type of organza or something. That is like a second layer under the skirt part here. That's okay. Overall, the dress is, and I feel like it could have been better. It does look good in pictures. It looked good in the pictures that Monster High and Mattel released up close and personal. Because like this has raw edges. This is raw edges. So I just wish the care in the dress was a little bit better. But overall, her overall look is cute. So she does have her signature, that color. If you lift up her dress, She does look like a full gremlin. There you go. She looks like a full gremlin, like in the movie. She does have that yellow going all the way down. And then she has her markings, the purple ones on her thighs, and then the 2 yellow ones on her legs. And this is what the back looks like. And then her shoes, they're green. Of course, the high heel that all of the Monster High doll girls have. So they're high heel. I think they're cute. Some type of vine or something, I can't really tell, because there is some decent, like, see, you can see it on camera, but you really can't, even in person you really can't. There is some decent detail, but because of the color that they made it, it's really hard to see the detail in the shoes. And then there's that little red flower to match her hairpiece up top. But yeah, like I said, these shoes could have been done a whole lot better, maybe a better mold or something like that, because see, you can even see that at the bottom. But there's no scuff marks or anything on them. I just think maybe they should have used a different color so we can see the level of detail. But let's put her on her stand. There she goes. I'm gonna put her hair back. There she goes on her stand for you guys. And then her oh, I forgot to talk about her hands. Her hands, there she goes. She has the classic gremlin hands. They're 3 fingers. They did put nail polish on her hands, which I think we all love. And there's no pixelation of that. And then she has her classic red lipstick in this hand, which I think is absolutely adorable. I think it's really, really cute. It has a little clip like some of the Barbie ones do to hold it, but they also have a plastic tie around it. So there is that. We're gonna lay her down like this so you guys can get a better look at her. Overall, I think they did an okay job with this one. Does it have the same level of detail as, say, Beetlejuice and Lydia? It does not, but Beetlejuice and Lydia were at a different price point, so I'm assuming that's why. But as a doll collector myself, I just suspected just a little bit more in terms of definitely her hair, like definitely her hair, better earrings, and just better materials with the dress and the jacket, the belt. Definitely this bag. I think Gizmo, her little partner, is absolutely adorable, cute. He doesn't have any pixelation at all. His coloring is very accurate to the movie, so I appreciate that. Overall, I would probably give her maybe an 8, 7.5, 8, somewhere around there. Just because they're going back to the classics of the 80s movies, which I appreciate as an 80s babies myself. But I really think they could do better in the clothing design department in terms of their level of materials and things like that. Just something to think about. Mattel Creations and Monster High Skullector. You know, we're paying money for these dolls. We want a little bit more in terms of the level of quality of the fabrics that you use. So, guys, she's cute. I'm so happy to have her in my collection because, like I said, it's just nostalgia all over for me as a kid watching Gremlins. So I'm glad I got her. She will definitely be in my doll collection, which I have to do sooner or later to show you guys all the dolls that I have. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until the next doll unboxing or crafting, bye lovelies.